Hey there, creators and tech explorers! Today on BlackSattai AI, we're diving into a visual tool that's making content creation 10x faster. It's called Freepik AI. If you're a YouTuber, Instagram designer, freelancer, or teacher, this tool can literally turn your idea into an image in just seconds. No stock sites, no Photoshop stress. So what is Freepik AI? It's part of the massive Freepik design library, but now powered with AI. Just type a prompt like cute baby astronaut in space or cartoon girl riding a rocket, and boom, Freepik AI will generate it in multiple styles: cartoon, vector, 3D, photorealistic, and more. But how does it actually help creators? Let's break it down. YouTubers need a custom thumbnail background or character art. Use Freepik AI to make it original, copyright-free, and ready in seconds. Instagram creators want catchy cover images for reels or quote posts. Try neon glowing cat in cyberpunk background and remix it with text. Facebook page owners running promos or awareness posts. Generate localized visuals fast. No graphic designer needed. Teachers and storytellers bring imagination to life for kids' stories or presentations. Friendly dragon in a jungle-type prompts work beautifully. Now let's talk about the good stuff. Super easy interface, fast generation. Cartoon, 3D, realistic, vector styles. Built-in tools like background remover and upscaler. Great for thumbnails, banners, reels, and more, but nothing is perfect. Here's what's missing. Free plan has daily limits. You must log in for HD downloads. Some images can feel repetitive, not ideal for advanced artists or highly specific creative vision, data, and privacy. Freepik says they don't train on your content and you can clear history. Still, don't enter sensitive info or real client data in prompts. BlackSattai Verdict, Freepik AI is fast, simple, and creator-friendly. It's not for digital artists, but it's a gem for anyone posting daily content and needs good visuals without stress. Use it smart and you'll save hours. This is BlackSattai AI. Another tool, another truth.